Assalamualaikum and salam new norma to the dear panel. The purpose of this video is to present a final year project entitled Produce a Prototype of Neutron Film Technique for using a 3D printer. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Julia Zulaika binti Zulkifli and my matric number is 90DTP 90F1019 and my partner is Nurhanis Hakimah binti Muhammad Fauzi and her matric number is 90DTP 90F1018. And we are under the supervisor of Encik Muhammad Helmi bin Saleh.
Film Neutron Hydroponic System NFT is a method of planting crops with plant roots growing in a shallow and circulating layer of hydroponic nutrient so that the plant can obtain adequate water, nutrient and oxygen. Plants grow in a layer of polyethylene with plant roots submerged in water containing a solution of nutrient distributed continuously by a pump. The polyethylene used is a kind of net pot. The objective of this project is to design a net pot to make comparison with the net pot on the market. In addition, there are several scopes that have been established, including color detection that has been outlined using experimental method. Based on the literature review conducted, the project used careful reading to obtain information while methodological study is used to design the project production process using flowchart as a guide for project planning. From the result of reading and research, the new netpot was designed using Inventor software and was developed through 3D printer method.
First problem statement is design netpot. According to Michael in 2019, netpot are an important part of hydroponic system. Netpot help provide support to the plant. Aside from the varied measurement, there are some qualities and ease of use that are not the same. The wrong selection of netpot will interfere with good root germination. This problem has a negative impact on crops that use this system because they do not get good bacillus cycles. The possible cause of this problem is the size of the netpot used. The problem is the poor quality of the netpot. There are many quality netpot available in the market. Improper selection of netpot will cause netpot to rot easily before the planting period is over. The cause of this problem is because the netpot will always be moist throughout the planting period. Perhaps the study conducted by Sulaiman Rianto can help improve the problem.
Three objectives of this research. We are studying about to study various Neutron film technique NFT pot using in the market. Second, to design root carrier suitable with Neutron film technique NFT. And lastly, to develop Neutron film technique NFT pot prototype using a 3D printer.
For these projects are apply rapid prototyping technology in the manufacture of Neutron film technique NFT netpot. Number 2, plants that can be used in the NFT system are plants that are fibrous and soft root such as bok choy, coriander and kesum. Scope number 3, producing the product up to the prototype level only. And scope for number 4, netpot and pot are used in round pies with a diameter of 4 inches.
There are three methods in the methodology used based on the objective of the study that has been made. Among them are research, design and development. We have done research on rapid prototyping, NFT, fertilizer, type of filament and CAD-X. For the design, we have designed our new netpot using Inventor software. This is a picture of a 3D design that has been made. And lastly, we use a 3D printer to create prototype from the Inventor's new netpot design result. To produce a prototype using a 3D printer, there are several steps that need to be done, namely creation, we use 3D modeling software like Inventor to create our own design. Create a 3-dimension / blueprint of the digital file of the object to be printed. Second, STL. The next step is the CAD model file needs to be converted to an STL file to translate the 3D shape and slice it into digital layers. The complete design is converted to STL to generate G-code. 3. Slicing. The STL file is transferred to the printer using custom machine software. We use Ultimaker Cura 4.11 for the slicing process on a 3D printer. Slicing process is to slicing divider or cuts a 3D model into 100 or 1000 layers, telling the machine what to do step by step. Lastly, printing. 3D printers were started to produce the prototype. The 3D printer built the bottom layer first, after which it will build the next top layer.
This is a prop that we have reduced from the actual system. The project we created was a net pot and a pot from a 3D printing. A 4-inch diameter pipe from this system is support for the success of our project. The other net pot is a net pot from the market with fake fabric that we use to make a comparison with the net pot that we have produced. In this pipe, there is a mixture of fertilizer, water that is filled half an inch from the pipe. The plant media filled in each of these net pot is German hydroton to aid water absorption. And these are among the crops that have been planted on the original system.
The way to prove the design is made effective is by means of data collection. From the display, we can see that the tree on the net pot that is in the market is dead, while the tree that is on the new net pot is growing well. In terms of tree roots, the root on the net pot in the market did not germinate well, while the roots on the new net pot germinate at length.
Several suggestions are presented to future researchers, especially the improvement of net pots and pots, in order to be an improvement in the hydroponic cropping system. The first suggestion suggested by the researcher is to improve the design of net pot. Redesign the net pot by narrowing the space between the holes. It is suggested that other researchers could use smaller planting media such as coco peat. Thus, when a small hole space is designed, then the researcher can use various other types of plant media and the plant media will not come out of the net pot. Second suggestion is to improve the design of the pot. Redesign the pot by improving on the curve on the pot. This is so that the researcher can use this pot on a 3-inch diameter pipe. Thus, the researcher has the option to use a type of system that use either 3-inch or 4-inch pipes. Next, the third suggestion is to use solar system for support system. Usually, the support system use electrical energy to pump water. When solar systems are used, the electricity can be reduced. Indirectly, researcher can reduce the cost of electricity. In addition, the fourth suggestion is the researcher can make mass production by patterning the design of net pots and pots to be molded. After that, the researcher can make a resin casting. This can save production costs to make net pot and pot. This is because The prototype might require hard code.
In conclusion, the objective of this study has been achieved to solve the problem that have been discussed at the beginning of the study. Through the method of comparison between new netpod and netpod in the market, we can see that new netpod is better than netpod in the market. This has been evidenced in the analysis of the data that has been recorded.